Hi, my name is Andy. I'm with Hemp Depot in Yoder, Colorado, and I bought an Armstrong building. We are an industrial hemp company. We focus on CBD products that we grow here in Yoder, Colorado, and we manufacture for over 2,400 brands at our facility in Colorado Springs. The steel building that we're in right now is just around 11,000 square feet. We primarily use it for hemp storage and hemp processing. When we were shopping for a building out here, we looked at all of the different construction methods and really started pricing all of those out. We wanted it to be completely vertically integrated. We wanted seed genetics, seed production, hemp production, extraction, a manufacturing facility, so we were truly seed to finished product. And so when we started building out that plan, we had a whole list of really what we needed. It became very clear that a steel building was going to be the most cost-effective option as well as the quickest option, and time was the essence when we were constructing this facility. When the building first arrived, it was a really easy inventory process. We went through a really simple parts list that was provided by Armstrong, so we were able to inventory everything. And then through the entire construction process, we never found a single item, part, bolt that we were missing. In fact, we had spares of bolts and screws and some of the things that you would expect. We actually finished the entire project in just 90 days from the date that the materials were delivered, and they had the quickest delivery time of any steel company that we called to get a quote from. As a manufacturer myself, I know that we can provide the best cost to our customers, and to not have a broker involved and work direct with a manufacturer is really important to me. I know there's only a handful of steel building manufacturers across the US, and I wanted to work with a manufacturer directly to ensure that we were getting the best price and also somebody that could really stand behind their product, and that was a huge selling point of working with Armstrong Steel. We are a farming company, a manufacturing company. We are not a construction company. There were so many questions that I had and didn't know where to start. I didn't know all of the steps or who to contact for construction, concrete, erection, and the Armstrong team really helped me get in touch with all of the vendors that I needed and walked me through the entire process, which I was not expecting. And once I got the first building done, that's why we bought another 3. Working with the Armstrong team really allowed us to go from the beginning to the end, where we ended up with a building that was perfect for us. It's been in use for the last 5 years now, and it's been an absolutely perfect structure that's handled all of our needs.